There he is. He got it that time. He's not that big. It's a bluegill, I think. Yeah. The way he's acting. He's running. He's got some muscle. Actually, I don't know if it's a bluegill. Man, he's taking me on a ride. Yep, really big bluegill. A big... Oh, it's a Mayan. It's a Mayan. They're always really good fighters. Really good fighters. Look at that. Very, very, very good fighters. Alright, look at him. Gotta really grab him. He nailed it. Look at this. He's got some teeth even. See those? Look at that. That's pretty good. Nice fish.